The Senna-Prost rivalry is widely regarded as one of the fiercest rivalries in Formula One to date, with both drivers considered some of the best to compete in the sport. It was Prost himself who convinced McLaren's management to sign Senna from Team Lotus in 1988. It was at this point that the rivalry is said to have started, with Senna narrowly winning the 1988 championship from Prost. The battle for supremacy between teammates came to head in 1989 with allegations of preferential treatment and favoritism towards Senna ultimately leading to Prost signing for Ferrari in 1990. The 1989 season saw Alain Prost claim his third world championship and last with McLaren, with the team also taking the constructors' title for the second consecutive year. The championship was decided in highly controversial circumstances at the penultimate race meeting of the year, the 1989 Japanese Grand Prix. The 1989 Japanese Grand Prix remains one of the most infamous races in Formula One history. Senna took pole position with Prost in second. Prost jumped Senna at the start and was leading into turn 1. Senna fell back and positions remained unchanged. On lap 46 out of 53, Senna, desperate to pass Prost to keep his championship hopes alive, tried to overtake the Frenchman at the last chicane, but Prost closed the door and the two collided. Prost stated that he did not believe he was responsible for the collision and complained that Senna's overtake was dangerous in attempting to go for a gap which was no longer there. After the collision, Senna had stopped off the track and waved the marshals over to give him a push start, within the rules if a car is deemed to be parked in a dangerous position. Senna re-entered the race via a runoff road and made it back to the pits for a new front wing, managing to retake the lead in the final few laps, crossing the line first. A long period of silence ensued with podium regularities conducting without Senna. Senna was disqualified for re-entering the track illegally, meaning he was ruled out of winning a second title. Senna made a case to the Fédération Internationale de l'Automobile, FIA, however his case was dismissed swiftly. Senna would continue to protest throughout the offseason, with his ultimate battle just beginning to heat up.